I have this DIY homemade hot tub cover and it rolls. I'm gonna make a rolling hot tub cover holder right about here. This video is gonna show you exactly how to do that step by step. So here is my roll-up hot tub cover that I made yesterday. What you can see at this point is, obviously, if it gets pushed a little bit more to the back, it's gonna fall right off the edge and that could hurt somebody or it could break it. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna build a holder that kind of just sits right here, and I'm gonna mount it to it so that it can just get pushed all the way back in. And then when people are done, it's easy to roll forward. It'll also keep it from kind of skewing left or right and then falling in. So yeah, I'll probably just go out about a foot and then up a foot, and have just two legs on each side like a table, and then some support to tie it all together. So that's what I'm doing today. The height of my hot tub is about 38 inches, and the design that I'm gonna do is gonna be, this is gonna be the leg, the 4x4. I'm gonna have this 2x3, and I'm gonna have them go horizontally. So the width of this 2x3 is actually 1.5 inches. So I'm gonna take 38 minus 1.5, that's 36.5. And I'm gonna mark it 36.5, and I'm gonna cut 2 of those. And I'll have my first 2 legs that are gonna actually be mounted against the base of this hot tub. All right, I got my 2 4x4s cut. I'm gonna mount them now to the location that they're currently in right now. I screwed these posts down into my wooden base that I have, and I also embedded these blocks down here into the dirt. They're nice and stiff and hard. That's where my next 2 legs are gonna sit. I got 2 legs here, and I'm gonna have 2 more here. I'm gonna make them level, and then that's gonna make my shelf. All right, it's starting to take shape. Got my 4 legs, essentially. Next step, I'm just gonna start boxing this in and making it up as I go. But just making it really strong, and then building a platform, and then something that goes up as well. I got everything situated the way I like it. I'm now going to add 8 18-inch 2x3s. I'm gonna do on either side, connecting these 2 together. These 2, and these 2. All right, here is 4 of those connectors installed, 18 inches. I'm gonna do the same thing over here. All right, here's where I'm at. I got it on both sides. These things are really strong so far, so super sturdy. I haven't even tied them in together this way yet, which is what I'm about to do. Oh yeah, I smashed my finger pretty good too. All right, next step, I'm gonna connect these, tie them in together here and here to really strengthen it and get them working together as a team. And then I'm gonna start building that tabletop. Check this out, I got a rock jammed in here. All right, first board here, I did a square configuration into the 4x4, and then just 1 on each of these 18-inch 2x3s. Same thing over here. So now you can start to kind of see what I was envisioning. I'm gonna keep making this tabletop here, and then I'm gonna tie in a couple of pieces down low as well. I'm just doing a basic single screw spacing as I work my way up. I got about 2, 4, 6, 7 boards across to make this flat section. I am 7 boards across. All right, this is what it looks like with the hot tub cover rolled up on it. I finished putting my boards down. I put a little side end cap on, thought that looked nice. I'll probably not today because I don't have it, but this wood paneling looks really good when you like skirt it down on the edges. So that's probably what I'll end up doing, just to kind of help blend it in with the area around me. I did put a stopper right here as well. I don't want this to keep on rolling and roll right off onto the ground or onto somebody, so I thought that that was pretty important. And you know, I think it looks awesome. All right, project complete. This is what it looks like.
What is that sound?
Those are geese. It is very strong. I still need to seal it, since this is just untreated wood on the top. but it works excellent. I even mount it. I put some screws in this last board of my cover here so it doesn't ever fall off or go side to side. Love it though.